Hi, my name is Yang. So today I'm in Markham Infiniti, and I'm just going to show you how the new QX50 2019, how it drives and how the feature goes. We can go take a video for a test drive, and you can feel how it is. Here's the vehicle we're going to test drive today. It's 2019 QX50, brand new design, and this is fully equipped. And I just want to show you the remote start is standard feature of the vehicle. So when you click the lock button, you see the full LED front lights, and you hold this remote start for 5 seconds, the vehicle will turn on. So you can warm your vehicle before you get into the vehicle, or you can cool in your vehicle if it's in the summer. With a sensory package, you get a kick open for the trunk. So it's very convenient. You kick open and the trunk will open right away. Okay, so here I'm going to do the test drive for the vehicle, and before we go for test drive, I just want to show you the vehicle has a blind spot warning, and for the safety part, it has a front collision braking, and also you can see the panoramic roofing is included in the standard package. So like today, if it's not too sunny, not too warm, we can definitely enjoy the bright inside the vehicle. Okay, the maximum of the sunroof opens up to here. It's good enough space for enjoy the air. There we go. So the pedal shift here is very easy. So you can see they switch to just very simple 3: reverse, neutral, and drive. If you push again, it switch to manual. And here is electronic parking. You push it, the vehicle will in the park. Okay. So this vehicle equipped with a 2.0 VC turbo, which is variable compression turbo engine. So basically it combines the diesel torque and the gasoline engine's performance, and also produce a very good efficiency for the gas. You can feel like during the test drive, it's very quiet. And this one, since it's a sensory package, it comes with a upgrade interior with a premium leather and also the suede leather as well. The whole dashboard here is wrapped with a real leather. With the blind spot warning prevention, when you turn the left signal, if the vehicle is beside, it'll flash. And you can activate the beeping sound by the setting. So this vehicle also comes with a lane departure as an option to add on. So for example, when you're driving on the road, you're looking at the side and getting close, the steering wheel is going to vary, and also at the head-up display, it shows the lane and warning you to back to your position. You see? We try again. See? Actually, you can feel the steering wheel, it turns back a little bit. It has a lane assist prevention as well. So okay, we're now going to drive on highway, and here by the driving mode selection here, you can easily switch to sports if you want more performance on highway drive. And for those drivers, they all normally drive for long distance, travel back to different cities, and you can add on a feature called ProPILOT. So basically the vehicle is kind of automatic driving, but you have to hold your hand on the steering wheel anyways. The steering wheel actually will keep your vehicle in the line. So I'm just going to show you the feature. I'm not sure if you can tell in the video, but I will try best. So if you can see here on my head-up display, I don't know if you're able to see. You see the mark? It shows the speed and also shows how far you, well, the distance here. You see the blue vehicle at the left corner. So that's show you how you're going to keep the distance between the front vehicle. So here, I'm going to release my hand. So this vehicle has a link departure and the ProPILOT system. The vehicle will keep your vehicle in the line. Now it has a warning shows here. Shows you have to put your hand back to the steering wheel. Make sure you are still awake, not falling asleep. But at this time, I don't even touch any brake, like gas. The vehicle keeping the same speed. And you can switch here to change your speed very easy. You go a little bit more faster, you go slower. It's just like video game. So this vehicle is very easy driving in a city-wise, and you can see Infiniti they have a button for camera, very simple and easy to click. When click, it shows the 360-degree camera. Already that's an option, but with essential package already include these features. And here is the front view of the vehicle. So also it gives you assistant line to let you know where you're going. So for example, you are looking for a parking spot and you want to head in instead of reverse. You can see here, it shows you the direction to the spot, and you just need to line up the spot. Here you can see 360. You parking. Okay, probably I'm not a good driver. But you can see it's very easy to adjust. So now it's properly parking in the spot. And also when you see I'm driving, as a senior driver, people, they want to put a senior position like this. It's very light steering wheel. It's very, very light, easy control. You can use one finger, you know. Anyway, like this is a very easy drive vehicle. And when put in a reverse, you can see here, the whole camera comes as well. It's automatically turned on. Instead, if you only wants to heading. And also when you click the camera again, it changes the view. So you can see here, it's on the right side, front, rear. So when you park the vehicle on the roadside, you know like how distant, how far you like from the vehicle to the gap. So you won't scratch your rim. Right, that's a good feature. And also when you click again, it gives you a wide view at the front. So if there's any wall or other vehicle blocking your vision, since the camera is at the front of the vehicle, so it gives you the whole view at the front. You can see people or vehicles crossing. Same way as the back, when you reverse, you change the view. Change the view here. It gives you a wide view at the back as well. When you want to reverse, get out from the parking, you can see people passing by, animals, kids. It's very safe and useful. Okay, so this vehicle actually works very good in Canada, equipped with the de-icer wiper. So during winter time, it can melt the ice and very easy to get into the car. Okay, we're finally done with the test drive. So actually, I'm not that serious person, but you know, now I changed the mode from the salesperson to a normal guy. This is a very, very good vehicle. If you do have interest with this vehicle or any Infiniti, please let me know. And I work in Markham Infiniti. My name is Yang, Y-U-N-G, last name H-E. I speak English and Mandarin. If you want to contact me, please call me at my personal direct line, 647-921-7758. Thank you.